Alright, so if you're here for the giveaway, make sure you watch the whole video. There's going to be some additional information later on in the video that'll help you properly enter for the giveaway. So if you're a content creator like myself, you probably have a bunch of GoPros and a bunch of GoPro batteries that you're constantly charging up because you're constantly making videos. So this charging case for GoPro batteries just might be what you need. So this is from a company called ZGCINE, that's PS-G10. And you can see here we have a case that can charge up to 3 batteries at a time. Nothing really notable about the box. Let's go ahead and see what we got inside. Okay, so we got a manual inside here. One side is in English and the other is in Chinese. And we have 2 USB cables here. We have one is a USB-C to USB-C, and the other one is a USB-C to USB-A. Alright, so this is what the charging case looks like. So this one has built-in batteries, so there's going to be a level indicator showing how much charge is in the batteries inside here. And then there's LEDs for the different slots, so there's 3 slots for 3 batteries. So nothing on this side or this side. On the back here we have a USB-C and a USB-A port. So the USB-A port is out only, so you can charge other devices with that with the included cable. The USB-C port is power delivery capable, so you can use this to charge the batteries that are inside the case, and it's also output capable as well, so you can charge other devices via this USB-C as well. So it's input-output on the USB-C and output only on the USB-A. So here on the bottom we have some specifications here. USB-C power delivery, so obviously 5 volts to 12 volts. That's on input, and then also on output same as well. So it's input and output 5 volts to 12 volts. A is 5 volts at 2 amps only. And then the 3 slots for the batteries charges at 4.4 volts and 1 amp. So here we see we've got the inside of the case here. You got little slots here for your micro SD cards if you want to store those. You have these little adapters, and the reason you need these I'll explain in a moment. Okay, so you have your 3 slots for your 3 batteries. Let's go ahead and let's turn this on. We'll press the power button. Shows you that we're at 75% stated charge on the batteries that are in here. So there's actually 4 18650 cells in here, 2 over here on this side and then 2 on this side, and that gives you a total I think of 10,400 milliamp hours of energy. So these little adapters here are for the smaller GoPro 8 and earlier GoPro batteries, so the 8, 7, 5, etc. The 9 and 10 use the larger batteries. So the 9 and 10 use a this larger 1720 milliamp hour battery, and then the Hero 8 and smaller, the older GoPros, they use a 1220 milliamp hour battery. So when you have these smaller ones, you're going to have to use these adapters. So like so here, and you want that little tab so you can pull that out. And it's going to line up like this. Then the batteries go in this way. And you can see slot 1 lights up. It's going to start charging. This is a Hero 10 battery, so obviously no adapter needed for this. Go ahead and we'll stick this in slot 2. And slot 2 is charging. And this is a Hero 6 battery. So you just want to line it up like so. And make sure your little pull tab is through that little slot there. Stick that in. So now we've got all 3 going. So the charge rate on the larger Hero 9 and 10 batteries takes about 2.5 hours to full charge from empty, and then the smaller batteries take about 1 hour and 50 minutes. Now you only have about 10,400 milliamp hours of total capacity in the whole case. So if you just charge up, say like these Hero 10 batteries, they're saying about 4 of these can be charged from a fully charged case, and for the smaller batteries you can charge up about 6 of them. Obviously you don't get the full 10,400 milliamp hours because there's some losses when you do the conversion from the energy inside here and put them into the smaller GoPro batteries. So obviously in addition to charging the batteries that are already in here, you can use this as a power bank because if you're only charging a few batteries, you're going to have probably some energy left, and if you want to plug in, there's USB cables here, and maybe charge up a phone or some other device, you can do that, and you can basically use it as a power bank. So while you're charging batteries inside the case, I got another USB-A cable here into the actual GoPro with the battery inside here. You can see the charging light going like so. And you can also use the USB-C port to charge as well. So if you have another device you want to charge via USB-C, you can also use that. Additionally, you can charge the batteries inside the case. So if you have this connected, the USB-C port connected to like a power brick or some sort of power supply, then you can actually charge the batteries inside here while you're charging other stuff. So it's very versatile. And then you can see a little note here on the front, double click to power off the case. Let's go ahead and do that. That turns it off and then actually stops the charging of the batteries inside as well. As you see that they're actually not charging. So if you don't want the case to be powering or charging the batteries, and you can shut it off and just use the case for storage if that's what you want to do. Okay, so if you're here for the giveaway, I've got another one of these, brand new in the box. I haven't touched it. I'll be giving away in this video. To enter the giveaway is pretty simple. All you gotta do is click the link in the description that's to this product. Check out the price and let me know what your opinion is of the price of this product. You think it's too high, if it's too low, just right. If you think there's other comparable products that it might be more suitable for in terms of like the price, say, oh, I've seen so-and-so product and it was, so-and-so dollars and it actually had more capacity, etc., blah, blah, blah. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this, and that's going to be your entry. So that's basically what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some feedback on what you think of the product, the pricing, whether you think it's appropriate or not appropriate, and then I will randomly select someone from the comments section in about 1 week from now. And in terms of the rest of the rules for this giveaway, they'll be basically outlined in the pinned comment that I'm going to leave down in the comment section. So I'll leave a pinned comment if you want additional details, etc. information on this giveaway, that'll be down in the pinned comment on the comment section. Okay, that's going to do it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.